Greetings! Fancy a little something that could revolutionize your workday? Ever suspected your office chair might be your back's worst enemy? Well, you're in good company. Sitting for prolonged periods can be a silent assassin, causing lower back discomfort and stiffness as if your spine is staging a quiet revolt. Enter stage right, the back pain relief cushion. This ergonomic marvel is akin to a spa retreat for your posterior. The U-shaped coccyx cutout is a champion of spinal alignment. Bid adieu to slouching and embrace comfort. Picture this: sinking into your chair, the cushion cradling your tailbone. Pure bliss. Office, home or gaming, this cushion's got your back, quite literally. Fancy a sitting experience transformation? Click the link in my bio to snag your back pain relief cushion. Your back will be eternally grateful. Remember, life's too short for uncomfortable chairs. Check out related links in the description below. If you enjoyed this, do give us a like and subscribe. From Dr. Greene Online, here's to a healthy and rewarding day. Keep in mind, poor sitting posture can contribute to muscle strain, so sit smart, sit comfortable.